Hello guys, there is a problem which we all are facing now, that is logging issue with Facebook account, which we are not able to access our PUBG mobile account through Facebook on PUBG mobile. Now there is a new update is coming which we are all facing that problem, that even I faced that problem. So now there is an option and so many questions we are having, that why we are not able to access our PUBG mobile account on Facebook when we logged out. So just for example, I'm showing you that on Facebook account we have logged in our many accounts, like going to settings, and now we'll go application and websites. Now edit and login Facebook. Now there is an option removed application. These applications we have removed. Okay, we want to reactivate these accounts, like for example I'm showing. But first of all, the PUBG mobile account, there is our PUBG mobile account. Now I want to log in. So this is what we all are facing now. Everything is like this. So we are not able to access. So what we will do now, that for example I'm showing here from Facebook. Now I'm showing you how to reactivate this. Let's, for example, Hago application, we are going to remove this. Now let's remove. Hago is removed. Okay, so Hago has been removed. Now if we want to reactivate this, we can't reactivate because there is no option. So for example, we will now open Hago that was logged in previously. Now we are going to sign it out. Now we have successfully signed out. Now we will log in again. So we will click on Facebook there. Now we'll continue by your name, logging in. So now I have logged in with my own account. Okay, now let's check is it reactivated or not. So there is removed applications. We are now going on activation. So how is activated again. Okay, now only this is the way we can activate our removed application. So the question is why we are not able to turn on or deactivate again our PUBG mobile account. So the problem is, as we all know, PUBG has given us a new update, so we are unable to access our Facebook account and log in by our Facebook account because of PUBG's bug. So bug is the main problem. Until PUBG solves out, till the time we will not be able to access our PUBG mobile account. Okay, so let's wait for PUBG when they are giving us new update. Until they solve this, we will not be able to access. So the main fact is which applications we have removed using our Facebook account. So if you want to reactivate those again, so see, this problem is again coming, this problem. So if we want to reactivate those accounts again using the application, so we just have to simply log in which games we are playing, just log in and use our Facebook account like this. So PUBG, we are not able to access our PUBG using our Facebook account because it is just PUBG's problem. So this is the main reason. Okay, so I hope the video was helpful to you. If you want to reactivate this, just go to your use applications. You can access using any game except PUBG. Now any game, just log in, choose your option as you do usually, the option will be reactivated again. Okay, just PUBG is the main problem, which is PUBG's problem. Until they solve it, we will not be able to access. So I hope that video helps you to reactivate your accounts which have been removed. Thank you guys. If you like this, please and subscribe if you want. Thank you.